There he is, the visor wanker. What's happening? Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. It has been a while. I've actually recorded most of the races this season, but I haven't made vlogs for most of them. I think we put together a bit of like a end of season review, so watch out for that. But we're back this week and we are down today at SC Motors, good old sponsors, to get Husky ready for round 5 of Proride tomorrow at Todds Leap. Looks like it's going to be a good track. Always enjoy Todds Leap, but yeah, gotta get the Husky ready. It's in need of some repairs. It's definitely seen some racing now, so gonna get a clutch lever on it, get some brake pads done, change some tires, and yeah, just give it a bit of a service and get it ready. So let's do it.
The next day.
A shadow of a man, looking well, kid, looking well. How are you?
You on the vlogs now?
I'm still learning, I'm absolutely shocking. I wish I had your editing skills. What do you think of this start?
It's going to be interesting, like a lot of riders going to a lot of trees. Might be gully there, it's going to be interesting as well, like, but
No bar them on, you're a caliber. You're looking well, looking well.
Cheers, buddy. Good luck.
Alright, sportsman, 10 seconds.
No silly mistakes here, keep it smart and upright. Slide the back end in, down the gear. High pump weighted, out inside. I'm done. Up and out. Stay off the front brake, down the left hand side, and speed. That's how you fucking do it, boys. Real fucker. I'm very sorry.
How calm was it? Don't worry, these things happen. Inside I was going,
That's not what he said 10 minutes
It's
ago.
not. Was that guy pinched before as well in the river?
yeah.
I'm very sorry.
He'll maybe have it, there's camera.
Be on the camera, Sorry, mate. Oh, dear. I don't know what I'm going to say. Just turn the camera on.
There is no words.
So that's us done. Todds Leap, round 5 Proride. It was a good race that got harder and harder as the day went on. Just that rain became really slippy, really ruddy. And last probably 2 laps there, the bike was riding me, I wasn't riding the bike. But to be honest with you, a bit disappointed. Ended up 25th. It's just my luck this year, not destined to have points. You know, I've had a 21st, 2 23rds, now a 25th. So disappointing, but Stephen was in the top 15.
Yeah.
Still had a chance for the championship, so I'll see you at the next round.